What up, what up? Out here at Southwick, Mass. The one and only, the Wick, Southwick MX338. My favorite track. Here for a practice day. Just gonna do a lap with y'all. And yeah, it was a great day. It's March 27th, 2021. We're just gonna go through this one lap. Man, I feel so slow and out of shape, as expected. But anyway, the track didn't change. It's super soft still, just like every other time. Lines just appear out of nowhere every lap. If you've been to Southwick or the Wick, whatever they want to call it, you know this. But anyway, yeah, I enjoyed it. Had a lot of fun as always. So the starting straight, obviously, is right here, the first turn. Real soft, lines everywhere, as you can see. This washboard straightaway was how it usually is, and the holes got huge. This is my third session out. Big right here, swallowing up the bike. Then you come to this little hump jump into the holes here. The camera doesn't do it justice, but yeah. So these ruts right here into the sand swooping berms. Down the hill, there's all washboard right there. There was not a good line here. It was just like a free-for-all. Real soft. And then you have this left-hander, which I like. Inside, outside. And this tabletop, I couldn't really jump today, but it was all good. Go inside, outside. I went outside. Usually I go inside. This section here you got going pretty good. Really deep holes here, which was challenging for me. Just going up this hill right there, some big ones. They just swallow the bike up. Coming up over this mound into the right-hander. Inside or outside is good. Obviously, inside's faster for me. Real choppy there. Going into this left-hander. Real soft. Up this hill, too. And then you land, like, bottom out right here. Hit this table, which is nice. And this left-hander, which I can't find a good line. I don't feel the flow, but you got that washboard, another one. This turn is my least favorite in the whole track. I think I hate that section, but everything else I love. This turn is usually pretty good. There's a big hole right here, and this was real worked out. I know it doesn't show on the camera, but all in all, it was a great day. You know, the track it wasn't even watered, but like it must have rained during the week. The sections were just like they were, or like always. Here's a big hole in the ground, boom, bottom out, and I hit this jump and keep going to this back section. It's high speed right here. This left-hander, it's like a flat track, not flat, but all straight ruts, sand, big holes into this jump. And we continue on. It's just take this right-hander after that tabletop, inside, outside. It's like a big double or a small double, but I bottomed out a couple times there. This section was tough. Stay standing up on here and like jumping into this hole is what you want to do, but it wasn't. And then here you have it. You come back around the first turn stretch right here. That's all we got at Southwick. Sorry it looks so slow, but we're doing the best we can and having fun. That's the most important. Well, anyway, check you guys later. We'll see you next week at another track. Peace.